A small wooden cube is placed on a plank. The plank performs vertical SHM of frequency 3 by pi hertz. The maximum amplitude of plank so that wooden block does not leave the plank is given. G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So let us see here, we are having a plank and over that plank a small wooden cube is placed. Now what we have to find out? The maximum amplitude of plank so that wooden block does not leave the plank. Remember, if the downward, as far as that wooden block is concerned, wooden block will lose the contact. This wooden block, when does it lose the contact? Wooden block leaves the contact with plank, leaves contact only when it's a downward acceleration of plank. Say A bar is downward acceleration of plank. If it is greater than the acceleration due to gravity, if downward acceleration of plank is greater than acceleration due to gravity, then only it will leave the contact with plank. Then only it will leave the contact with plank. Now the condition that this wooden block does not leave the contact with plank is A max. What is the maximum acceleration? Maximum downward acceleration of plank is equal to omega square into A. See here, because plank is performing SHM, so acceleration of particle performing SHM is minus omega square into x. Here A is maximum only when x is equal to amplitude, so it is minus omega square into A. So in amplitude we can say A max is equal to omega square into A. And under the limiting case, in order that block does not lose the contact, it will just lose the contact. Block just lose the contact. What is the condition for block just to lose the contact? That maximum acceleration A max, it must be equal to acceleration due to gravity. A max, it must be equal to what? Acceleration due to gravity. But what is maximum acceleration? It is omega square into A, amplitude is equal to G. Therefore omega square is equal to G divided by A. Omega square is equal to what? G divided by A. But therefore omega square is equal to G divided by A. But we know what is omega equal to? Omega equal to 2 pi f, where f is the frequency and that is given as 3 by 5. So omega square is equal to 4 pi square f square. So therefore this equation will becomes 4 pi square f square is equal to G divided by A. 4 pi square f square is equal to G divided by A, and we are interested in finding the maximum amplitude. So A is equal to G divided by A is equal to G divided by 4 pi square f square, that is equal to G divided by 4 pi square f square. So 4 pi square. Now in place of f, what we can write? F is equal to 3 by pi. So it is square of 3 by pi, means it is 9 divided by pi square. So this pi square get cancelled with pi. So finally amplitude A is equal to this G divided by 4 9s are 36, that is equal to, but G is given as 10. So 10 divided by 36 divided by 2, so it is 5 divided by 18. A is equal to 5 divided by 18. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Option C is correct for this question. That is maximum amplitude A must be equal to 5 divided by 18.